Glucose. Definition, structure, sources, and importance. What is glucose? Glucose is a simple sugar monosaccharide with the chemical formula C6H12O6. It is the body's primary source of energy and is used by cells during cellular respiration to produce ATP energy. Glucose is found naturally in fruits, honey, and many carbohydrate-containing foods. Structure of glucose. Glucose contains 6 carbon atoms, 12 hydrogen atoms, 6 oxygen atoms. It can exist in 2 forms: linear open-chain form, ring cyclic form, the most common form, in living organisms. Structure of glucose. Natural sources of glucose. Glucose occurs naturally in many foods. Common sources: fruits, grapes, bananas, apples, mangoes, honey, fruit juices, corn syrup, vegetables, bread, rice and potatoes. Carbohydrates that are converted into glucose during digestion. Importance of glucose. Glucose is important because it provides energy to body cells. It is the main fuel for the brain. It helps muscles function during physical activity. It is transported through the blood as blood sugar.